Let's make Easter eggs coasters today. We will need printed pattern. Link for the pattern is in the description under the video. Prepared hoop with fabric. I use raw fabric. The fabric should be stretched very tightly over the hoop. The punch needle. Needle threader. Several magnets or tape. Pencil. Scissors. Felt for backing. Yarn in desired colors. Cut out the pattern. Place the pattern under the fabric. Put one magnet under the pattern and the other on top of the fabric. If there are no magnets, then stick the pattern with tape. Secure the pattern with a couple more magnets. Trace the design from the pattern onto the fabric. Remove the pattern. Insert the threader into the eye of the needle, and then pull it through the entire needle. The needle threader should come out into the center hole of the needle handle. Insert the yarn into the loop of the needle threader. Pull the other end of the needle threader and pull the yarn through the needle. Start embroidering with the outline of the object. The needle should enter the fabric vertically and point in the direction of movement. The length of the thread should be approximately equal to the thickness of the yarn. But if you need to embroider a small line and go back, you can increase the stitch length by 2 times. And on the way back, insert the needle in the center of the stitch. Insert the needle until it stops. When you finish embroidering the element, hold the last stitch with your finger and pull out the needle. Cut the yarn. Embroider the remaining outline. Fill the background of the egg with a different color. I start with the outline, going around the empty elements. If you make a mistake, simply pull the thread and unravel the problem area. Scratch the fabric a little with your fingernail or needle so that large holes disappear. Then continue embroidering. Once the outline is ready, start filling the space inside. The rows should lie close to each other. This is what it should look like from the front. Fill in the remaining details with a light color. Use the same principle. Outline first, then inside. There is no need to cut the yarn every time. You can pull it out a little and move on to the next area. And then cut off all the ends of the yarn. That's what we should get. Remove the work from the hoop. Using a needle, separate all the cross loops so that your embroidery looks neat and the design is clear. It looks much better now. Also, we will need glue gun. Cut out your embroidery, leaving 1 centimeter around the edges. Make cuts in the fabric around the entire perimeter. Fold and glue the edges of the fabric inside the embroidery. Be careful, the glue is very hot. Prepare a piece of felt. Apply glue to the back of your embroidery and glue it to the felt. Carefully trim off any excess felt. Don't catch the loops. Apply a little glue to the edges of the felt and join them to the embroidery. Your Easter mug rug is ready. You can create many different coasters using my patterns. Thank you for watching.